is it just me, or did anyone else feel unusually heavy and tired this past week? I've been feeling exhausted this past week, and even this one, that I had to pause and really sit with it. I started reflecting and trying to understand where is this coming from. And I realized something simple and very important. I wasn't really resting on my days off. My mind was still running so many thoughts and so many things that I have to take off on my to-do list, on top of the physical tiredness that I'm trying to recover from. And honestly, I think that was my body's way of trying to slow me down, to stop pushing, to recharge, because I didn't have the energy to keep me carrying everything the way I was. So on Wednesday night, I decided to do something different. It was my off the next day, so I didn't write any to-do list for the next day. I didn't plan anything. I turned off all of my alarms, took all my supplements, and just allowed myself to sleep. And I slept like a baby, 9 solid hours of sleep. I woke up feeling fully recharged. And you know what? I had so much energy that I was able to do my morning meditation and workout. And I stayed in such a good and happy mood all day. I even booked a much needed facial treatment, and it was the best decision ever. It felt really good. So if your body is giving you signs too, I hope you'll listen. Please don't ignore it. Rest, however it looks for you. Maybe it's a 5 to 10 minutes of breath work, a short walk outside, journaling your thoughts, a quick power nap, or even a whole day on where you simply let yourself be. Let this be your reminder. Some days, the bravest thing you can do is rest without guilt. All right, happy Friday and long weekend, everyone. Have a restful, happy, and gentle weekend. Bye.